Hey, right, so this we have here are the casing for the Realfit F1. If you missed out the unboxing video, do click here. I'll put the link down in the description below. Go and check that out. So in this one, I'm actually going to be going through the 5 very cute casing which actually the company came up with, which you can actually buy it with the Realfit F1. So let's get into it. Right, so the first one we have with here is actually the Kurumi. So let's get into it. Put it up. Oh, it's very nice. Right. So you can see here the casing is pretty thick plastic, pretty soft, transparent, and look close, there's some dots inside. So the outer surface is actually smooth, but the inside is actually rough with dots. I think this is actually have a good grip on the charging case itself. You can see the printing here, absolutely cute, Kurumi. Right, and there's a hinge here for you to hook. This one, you get an icon of Kurumi, that's nice. Right, so let's fit in. Looks nice, right? Yeah, looks great. Right, and there's this cutting at the bottom, right, for you to put in the USB-C cable. Right, so let's try it out. I have a USB-C cable here. Let's plug it in. Nice. Right, so it actually doesn't get in the way of the cable. Right. Nice. Okay, and let's attach this to the hook here. Looks great, right? Open up case. Right, doesn't really get in the way. There's a groove here, right, to actually stick it in. Right, and then there's an R1, don't know what that means. Okay, so yeah, I mentioned earlier, do let me know what you think of this first casing, Kurumi, and whether would you get it. And the second one, Stella Low, right? So cute! Yeah. Right, let's get into it. Let's open it up. So I think the same thing, same here. You see the top, it's very thick, smooth on the outside, with dots on the inside. All come with the same thing. It has the top and bottom half of the protective case, and it has a hook. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. Nice. And let's hook it. There you go. Looks very nice, right? And there's a cute teddy bear here, heart here, some presents here, and then there's a smile. Look at the smile. It's a bit cheeky. And the rabbit here, it's more purplish in color compared to the one on the case. It's some very light purple. At the back, same thing, R1, don't know what it means. At the bottom, right, and then there's a stand here. You can actually make it stand easily, you see? You can stand now. So let's test it. Yep, quite sturdy. Yep, so you can pull it. I'm using a lot of strength to pull it right now, alright? It's quite sturdy, that's nice. Open up, doesn't really come into contact with the, get in the way, that's nice. USB-C. It's charging, doesn't get in the way, nice. Right, so this is actually the second casing, which is the Stella Lu. So do let me know what you think of it down in the comment section below. And let's get into the next one. And the next one is Sailor Moon. Do we have any Sailor Moon fans here? Right, so let's get into it. So the top half you can see here, it says 100% lovely 100%, and the Sailor Moon here face. Right, here check out. And we have the badge as well, the hooks. Okay, so let's slit it in, see how it looks like. And with the hook. Right, so this is actually the third one. So let me know what you think. Is it nice? Not too sure if this is really what it means. Alright, those who know, let me know what this Japanese word actually means. And the badge. It's the same design what we see here, right? Okay, and the test of strength, good. Up, and get in the way, nice. And let's plug it in. The USB-C cable, does it get in the way? Nope, cool, doesn't get in the way. And it stands as well. And the position just nice. You can see the LED light here. on the V of the hair. Okay, so this is actually the third design of the protective case. Do let me know what you think of it and whether you will get it down in the comment section below. And let's move on to the fourth one. The last one is actually this one. It's an astronaut, or we call it a spaceman. Alright, let's get into it. So here you can see it says astronaut, same thing, very thick casing, nice, right, so cute. Okay, I'm gonna cut out. Okay, so let's put the casing in and see what it looks like. Fits perfectly, and the clip. Nice, looks very nice. Open up, doesn't get in the way. USB-C, plug in. Nope, doesn't not. You see, plug in perfectly. Alright, so do let me know what you think of this spaceman as the casing for your Realfit F1 down in the comment section below. And here's a recap of all the rest of the casing. So we have Sailor Moon here, Kuromi, Stellaloo. Okay, so do let me know what you think, which one is the best. That's all the time we have. My name is Johnny. Bye-bye.